ELI 5. Why is sweat salty? Why can't we just sweat out pure water instead? So, sweating is the body's temperature regulation system, right? Sweat forms on the skin, then evaporates, lowering the body's temperature in the process. So far so cool. But why is it salty? The body and the water in it is filled with water-soluble stuff. When you add more water to it, that also gets a share of that soluble stuff. Like pouring more water into salt water, it gets less salty but only because you added more water to the same amount of salt. To sweat water that's less salty than the water inside of you, you'd need to expend energy to separate it from the salt. But worse, once you sweat out the non-salty water, the water inside you would be more salty. This is a problem if you don't have a ready supply of drinking water to balance it out because the body relies on maintaining a certain osmotic balance. So it's more expensive to desalt the water, and to do so would be bad. Edit. To be clear, we do reabsorb a lot of the salt that we would otherwise expel in sweat and urine, but it's far from pure water and the relationship between salt and water in our body has to be kept relatively stable. Luckily we have lots of mechanisms to control that, and sweat is one of them.